Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Grogu, also known as Baby Yoda, in our super fun rubber hose cartoon style. This version is extra cute, simple, and full of that vintage charm we love. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more tutorials coming your way. Grab your materials, get comfy, and let's start drawing. Let's begin with the eyes, drawing them in that classic rubber hose style, almost like soft bean shapes, simple but full of personality. Now add the eyelashes, giving them a playful, expressive look that enhances the cute vintage vibe. And remember, if anything feels too fast or tricky, just pause the video and take your time, step by step. Next, draw the tiny nose right in the center. We'll color it pink later to make it stand out nicely. Grogu is a character from the series The Mandalorian, part of the Star Wars universe. He belongs to the same mysterious species as Yoda, but the species itself has never been officially named. Let's sketch the head shape, keeping it big, smooth, and rounded to emphasize that adorable baby proportion. Add the little single curl of hair on top, a small detail that makes him feel even more baby-like and charming. Now draw the ears, long and wide, extending sideways with soft curves. Give those ears a bit more structure with subtle inner lines, keeping everything smooth and stylized. Let's add the cheeks, slightly rounded to reinforce that soft, cute appearance. This bottom part won't show up in the drawing, so let's erase it here and ta-da! Much better! Now draw the fluffy collar of the coat, making it thick and puffy. Later we'll add small texture lines to give it that soft look. Notice that the mouth won't be visible here. It's hidden behind the big cozy collar. Let's build the coat itself, shaping the torso with simple, rounded forms. The coat covers almost the entire body, so keep the bottom simple, with just soft, circular shapes suggesting the feet underneath. Add the trailing back part of the coat, dragging slightly along the ground for that classic cartoon silhouette. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our other Baby Yoda tutorial in the original style. Just click the card up above. And tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next in rubber hose style? Now draw the left hand, small and simple, almost hidden inside the sleeve. And don't forget those vintage-style cartoon gloves. The character quickly became one of the most iconic figures in modern Star Wars. Let's move to the right arm, raised up with a long sleeve and soft, fluffy edges. Draw the right hand open, making that iconic gesture as if Grogu is using the Force. Again with those classic rubber hose gloves. Oh, he's so cute. He is very sensitive to the Force, showing strong abilities even at a young age. Throughout the series, he forms a deep bond with Din Djarin, the Mandalorian. Grogu was trained at the Jedi Temple on Coruscant before the fall of the Republic. His love for food, especially frogs, became a funny and memorable trait among fans. Now we'll add small strokes around the collar and sleeves to create a simple, fluffy texture effect. For colors, we're keeping it nice and familiar. Soft green for the skin, beige for the coat, a hint of pink on the nose. But feel free to color your Grogu however you like and make it your own. And here's our Baby Yoda. Cute, simple, and full of that classic rubber hose charm. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.